Hi everyone, so in this video I'll be showing you how to cut your bangs, and to do this you'll need a comb and a hair cutting scissors. So first you need to make a V in the front of your head. Try and keep the line in front of your ears. So as you can see, I just showed you with the comb. I'm keeping the V in front of my ears. I'm not going behind my ears because it will just make the hair hang too far back. So I don't want my bangs to stretch that far back. I actually just want them to frame my face. So this is why I keep them in the front of my ears. If you however do want your bangs to stretch further back, then you can go further back, but I just want mine, as I mentioned, to frame my face. So I'm not going that far back. So obviously you just need to comb out your hair. I see that my hair is getting dry, so I'm just going to wet it a bit. Because the texture, I cut my hair when it's damp, so it mustn't be dripping wet, but it mustn't be dry as well. So obviously you can just get the other hairs that you're not going to cut out the way, and just make sure that your hair is damp enough for it to be straight and smooth in order for you to cut it. So just remember, when you're cutting hair, if you pull it, it will bounce back up, so it will actually look a little bit shorter than what you wanted it to be. So what I'm going to do, I'm firstly going to cut, I'm just showing you there that I also like to keep my bangs, or the V, I don't make it too wide, I keep it in line with my eyebrows, the bridge of my eyebrows. So I found a length that I think will work for me. So I'm first going to cut this and have a look and see if I'm satisfied with the length. Okay, so I'm point cutting into the hair. So I just want to see if I'm satisfied with this length. So I'm also someone who like to, after a while, I like to put my hair behind my ear. So this is why I'm just sorry, I'm just doing a test to see if that works for me. It does go behind my ear, however it's not really where I want it to be. I don't want my hair to be that long in front, so I will be going a little bit shorter. Okay, so I found my length, and I'm just cutting it to where I think would be suffice. I'm point cutting again, because obviously that is not such a rough edge at the bottom. Okay, and that works better for me. Okay, so the next thing you want to do with your bangs is you want to have it tapered down your face and actually frame your face. So the first cut that we've done is for the length. Now, holding it upward, you need to get all the hair that you've cut and pull it upwards. So what we're going to do now, you're just going to do a straight cut at the top, and that will then cause the hair to actually be more layered and frame your face better. So it still won't be one harsh line. It won't be a harsh line. I know you can't see now obviously what it looks like, but obviously at the end of the video I will show you guys what it looks like once my hair is actually styled and done. So I'm just gonna do it a bit more. Just make sure that the line there is straight. It needs to be straight in order to be even as well, and if it's not straight then it will obviously not be even. So I'm just trying to see over there. You can obviously measure when you pull it down that they're the same length. So I've just found some few strands that look a bit longer on certain ends, and just making sure it's all even.